Hello there everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you another tutorial on transparent flower vase. This is the common problem, most of you can't create it easily. So first of all draw the subject, then apply water all over. Usually drop water on exciting work like pink on flower, yellow and green on leaves, dark blue on flower vase. Remember this is just a wash first time, so do not apply more color. Let them dry. Now I start to apply details. You can see first details I have done, that is shape green and dark blue green on background of flowers. Then apply blackish blue on glass jar and follow my way that I am not applying dark color all over the jar, just few more area because others portion was for lightening. Now apply more dark blue color behind of the flower vase. It will help you subject to come out from background. Finally apply few white colors to give your work more light, such as on jar, flower leaves and ground. So that's all for today. Hope this tutorial will help you a lot to complete these kinds of critical work. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.